Hey there, beautiful people. Are you feeling the Christmas spirit yet? I'm Jason, and today we're diving into the world of festive joy and budget-friendly Christmas gifts. If you're scratching your head about what gifts to give your friends and family without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Keep watching as I reveal the top 5 Christmas presents on a budget that are sure to spread smiles. Number 1. Gingerbread galore. What screams Christmas more than gingerbread? From crafting a gingerbread house to baking delicious cookies, these treats are iconic for the season. Whether you're a baking pro or prefer a gingerbread home kit, it's fun, simple, and oh so Christmassy. From small cottages to entire villages, you can find all sorts of kits at your local supermarket or online. Start playing with your food and spread the sweet cheer. Number 2. Traveling coupons. Got a friend who's bitten by the travel bug? Surprise them with the ticket to their dream destination. You can snag some awesome deals on flights and accommodations. It's off-season magic. Check out Skyscanner, Kayak, or Kiwi for the best deals. Adventure awaits. Number 3, books. No matter what your loved one is into, books are always a good idea. A carefully chosen book can show you really know a person, and they'll enjoy it much longer than cookies or chocolates. From self-help bestsellers to novels and even Christmas-themed crime stories, there's a lot to pick from on Amazon, thrift books, Bookfinder, and more. Number 4, e-courses. If your loved one is all about gaining knowledge, why not surprise them with an e-course? From pottery and podcasting to professional growth and degrees, the options are endless. Check out Coursera for business skills and specializations. If you're looking for courses on everything from podcasting to pottery and beyond, Skillshare has you covered. Number 5, concert tickets. If they're fans of Taylor Swift, Beyonce, or Harry Styles, why not surprise them with concert tickets? It's a gift that'll create memories for a lifetime. Though it can be pricey, places like the SeatGeek and Vivid Seats offer great deals. On top of that, Pawns.app rewards you and each new referral with an extra $3. So not only do you earn by using the app, but you also get bonuses for inviting friends. Perfect for that extra Christmas budget, right? That wraps up our list of top 5 budget-friendly Christmas gifts. And remember, spread love and joy this Christmas with thoughtful gifts that don't cost a fortune. Catch you in the next video, and let's make this Christmas one to remember. Happy holidays, everyone.